Hello, I'm Ziv from the Needle, and today I'm going to review sniply, which is a cool tool that allows you to maximize the traffic that you send away from your site. Okay, so you are linking to someone else and yet want to maximize the traffic that leaves you. So let's see how it is working. Basically, you put the URL that you're gonna send people out. You're gonna link, for example, from your post, and let's create a snip. So you see the URL, you have a call to action. This is my previous call to action. I'm going to create a new call to action. Select brand, the needle. Okay, and you see below the options. I like the bottom image ad. I never tried it. Okay, let's go for the button. Enter a message. So my message here is a new revolutionary traffic generator tool. This click here, I like more the discover. And button URL is going to my site. So I just started to create this review. That's gonna be the link. So I'm gonna copy it. Let's preview. No, I don't want to preview. Let's publish it for a second. I'm going to copy it, and that's where I want the visitors to arrive. Continue. Let's leave the default. Now I got a link. Okay, so in my post, in my review, I'm going to review this tool. I just love win-win. Simply is one of those cool win-wins. So basically, there are so many methods to drive traffic to your site. Okay, and now I'm linking away, but sniply is nicely. Okay, I can't promise that I will leave it. I'm just doing it for the demonstration. Maybe later I will change the text. Let's update and see what happens. Okay, brilliant, double L. Brilliant. Let's see how it looks like. So my users, you are reading my amazing review, but you're getting bored, and then you see so many methods to drive traffic to your site. That should be much more interesting than that bullshit review. Let's read it. And then you go into this really cool WordStream post, and you start reading it. And at the bottom, a new revolutionary traffic generator tool. Discover, you click it, and then you go back to my site. Now you think to yourself, wait a minute, if I just been to your site, why should I, and I left it because I wanted to read something else. It's not effective. And I have to tell you that you are right. It's a really, really stupid way to implement the sniply web method. Super simple way. Here is a super stupid way. My T in the keyboard is killing me. Remind for myself, buy a new keyboard. Here is a super stupid way to use sniply. Okay, so we don't want to use it that way. So how do we want to use it? When we post to other sites, when we post to Facebook pages, when we post in forums, we want to recommend really cool content. It's not our content, and we want to show it to others. Then that's how we would use sniply. We would just direct the cool content, and yet we will have our own small ad, which we can hope some people will click it and will find out what we want to tell them. Let's go back to sniply. Okay, so we copied, we could have previewed it. Go to dashboard, and in the dashboard we have all kinds of cool stats. We can see how many clicks we had. We can implement the conversion pixel, which is really cool to see how many people converted. And here we see our snips, and we see how many people click them. You see I have a staggering amount of 0, maybe because of the minor fact that I didn't use it yet anywhere. I just discovered this tool and I was so excited I just ran or sat on my chair to write a review about it. And we get 1000 clicks for free. I guess that if people clicked 1000 times, I would have a conversion or two, and the moment I will also expand the plan from the free plan into the paid plan. Manage. Okay, so the brands can be managed. I think it's only for the paid plan, but let's see. Upload a photo. I'll just try it, It doesn't allow me. Let's try something else. Okay, let's try to upload the photo. I changed it to be a small one. It looks terrible. Okay, I will of course use a much better photo. I'm just, testing with you. Save. Let's see if it looks better. Yeah, that's much better. Again, terrible image, but it's much better. What else can we do? Let's see what else can we do. Conversion pixels, like I said, it's really important to put them. The custom domains is locked and the custom scripts are locked because they are only for the paid scripts. Retargeting, again, it's only for the paid scripts. Integrations. Embed on website blog. I don't know what they mean. Let's see. Use your domain instead of sniply. Okay, that's nice. Add your call to action to every admin link on your website or blog. All your web visitors that click on external links will be taken to sniply page with your call. Wow, that's really cool. I really don't want to miss any outbound link, and I don't want to set and use sniply for all the links. So most of them I would like, let's go back to the stupid example, which is stupid because you've just been in this post and you click, and then you see a sniply driving you back to this post, it's stupid. But imagine that you're in a different post, reading something about a different topic, and then you're redirected to an outside the source, a different link, which is interesting. But here I prompt you to come back to the site with different type of content. Like if this was on traffic, here I can put a link about conversion. Okay, so you got the links, now discover how to convert. And that way I give my users a great experience. I show them great content that is not mine, and I also complement that content with additional content that is mine, that is in a way related to that content. So again, options are like so many things that we can do. Where am I? Embed site. Okay, always on. Add a call to action to yours. Okay, that's, I think they mean that. Okay, to put it on my own site, like I pop up on my own site. There are many plugins that do it for WordPress, so I guess they offer me to do it through them, which is cool. You can read the full details or get started by entering your URL below. Let's see how it works. Just before your body tag ends. Okay, I'm going to do it. As you can see, I just went into my theme, clicked the footer file, went into appearance, of course, editor, and then went to the footer file and just pasted their code like they asked me to do. I didn't, try to be a wise guy. And it should be it. Verify. Okay, there was a note there. I missed the note. Okay, let's hope it's okay. The needle, all snips will redirect to the needle me. Okay, the code snippet to paste into your site just before the close of the body tag. I just did it. Yeah, right, I just did it. Okay, so they claim that if I just create a different, like, let's say, here is a better use of the tool. So let's say I tell people that after you get the traffic, don't forget that minor detail of converting your traffic. Okay, so I don't have any post about converting traffic, so I'm going to find some good source. Let's see if I recognize. Okay, Kiss Metrics. They're usually, I love their posts, so they're good. Crazy Egg is also good. Quick Sprout, very good. Okay, Quick Sprout is very good. 7 simple ways to convert your visitors into customers. That's amazing. Okay, I will read it later, I promise. I don't put links that I don't read. I will do it later. But for now I want to test it. Let's see if it is working. So now it's supposed automatically to use my sniply. Let's see if that's the case. Yep, I can see draft traffic. Nope. It doesn't look like it did it. Because you see, I can see that the link is without the sniply. So it didn't work. Why didn't it work? Why? So I found it. Of course, it was in front of my eyes all the time. Here, preferences. Add a call to action to outbound links from the needle. I just click it. I choose the call to action that I want to appear for all outbound links. I can mark do not snip affiliate links, which is I really don't want to snip them. And that's it. Everything is working theoretically. Actually, it doesn't work. I don't know why. Although they say that we need to wait a few minutes, I have waited a few minutes, and yet the regular link that I put here still doesn't have the snip. So I need to ask them why and to see if they can fix it or not. But that's one thing that doesn't work, and it always makes me anxious to know that something doesn't work, because if that isn't working, what else has issues? That's it. Other than that, all the other things, they look quite straightforward, and I'm going to play with it and post some of the sniply links on Facebook pages that are relevant to my niche and see if I get some traffic or subscription, and I will update this post with new findings.